What did you get? What is it?
Present.
A present? What kind of present? Show me what is over there. Show me what's over there.
What'd you get? Dora bed? You want to go in your Dora bed and show us how you snuggle in your Dora bed?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, boy.
Hey, why did you get your Dora bed? Why did you get it?
No.
What did you
For
do?
putting away her cat.
What did you do to get your Dora bed?
No.
What did you throw away?
My binky.
You threw away your binky?
Yeah.
And what did you get?
Dora bed.
Hooray!
So exciting. Can I see it? Can you get in bed and show me it?
Yeah.
You got Dora pillow, and the Dora bed, and Dora doll.
Oh, my goodness.
Here, lay down. Show us how you go night-night.
Wow. Are you going to sleep all through the night?
Yeah.
Okay. Good night. I love you. Tell that you're sleeping right on Dora's face.
That's okay.
Give Dora a kiss.